What's your problem?
Out now!
Please state the nature of your emergency.
Yes, police! Send police!
Hey, whoa! me if I wanted to. Please fucking call.
I always thought
Hello? Can I help you? Come again. We're open 7 days a week.
No, I don't want to die.
it would be more reliable.
What's that?
Hey, anyone know what's going on?
Not good. Not good.
It's really affecting things.
911, what's your emergency?
Hurry, please. There's a
I'm
man
hearing
firing at us.
gunfire
Help us.
here. You need to send someone.
This is Kuat. We got a green light on CTOS service.